बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये आपका फिजिक्स 101 की मिड टर्म फाइल है। जिसमें तकरीबन होंगे 84 एमसीक्यूज जो सॉल्व हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपका इसमें पेपर तकरीबन 80-70% सॉल्व हो जाएगा। और इसके अलावा हमारे पास ये एलएमएस पेड सर्विसेज अवेलेबल हैं। और अगर आप अपना टोटल एलएमएस पेड सर्विसेज पे नहीं देते, आपका हम पर यूज़ और पर असाइनमेंट पे मुनासिब रेट पे आपको वो अवेलेबल कर देंगे, आपके क्विज़ सॉल्व करेंगे और असाइनमेंट्स भी। ये मेरा कनेक्ट नंबर है, आप इस पर रब्ता कर लें और अपना जो भी काम होगा आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फिजिक्स का ये पहला एमसीक्यूज है। द अल्टीमेट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ सिंपल इज द स्ट्रेस एट विच द सैंपल। ऑप्शन ए रिटर्न टू इट्स ओरिजिनल शेप व्हेन द स्ट्रेस इज रिमूव्ड। ऑप्शन बी remains underwater। ऑप्शन सी breaks। ऑप्शन डी bends 180। इसका ऑप्शन सी ठीक है, breaks। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the value of k in Columbus law depends upon medium between two change charges। ऑप्शन ए। ऑप्शन बी distance between charges। ऑप्शन सी magnitude और charges। ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। इसका ऑप्शन ए ठीक है, मीडियम बिटवीन टू चार्जेस। ये मैं आपको इसका क्वेश्चन और इसका ये जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो बता सकता हूँ, लेकिन फिर आपको ये पेपर में मुश्किल होगी कि जो बाकी इसके आंसर हैं उनको देखने में। जैसे कि मैं आपको ये बता दूं, फिर आप दूसरे जो है ना इसके ऑप्शन बी और सी डी, ये देख के आप जज नहीं कर सकेंगे कि इसका करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा है। वो आप देखेंगे, पूरा आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे और पूरे उसके आंसर देखेंगे, फिर उसकी आपको समझ आएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया वाज फर्स्टली फार्मूलेटेड बाय न्यूटन। ऑप्शन सी इसका पहला, इसका आर्टिस्टोट, गैलीलियो, आइंस्टाइन। इसका है ऑप्शन सी है न्यूटन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter is equal to। ऑप्शन ए 2n। ऑप्शन बी n। ऑप्शन सी n/2। ऑप्शन डी 1 स्टेटर। इसका ऑप्शन बी है n। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, a water bed that is 1.5 meter wide and 2.5 meter long weighs 1055 Newton. Assuming the entire lower surface of the bed is in contact with the floor, what is the pressure in bed extras on the floor? Option A 25 Pascal, 260 Pascal, 270 Pascal, 280। ऑप्शन डी इसका ठीक है, 280। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हो गया, ये 6 है। थोड़ी नंबरिंग आगे पीछे हुई है, बाकी ये आपके क्वेश्चन पूरे होंगे इधर। द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज द एवरेज लोकेशन ऑफ द डैश ऑफ एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। ऑप्शन ए मास। ऑप्शन बी वेट। ऑप्शन सी स्टैटिक एक्विलिब्रियम। ऑप्शन डी डायनामिक। ऑप्शन बी वेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, acceleration in a body is always produced in the direction of। ऑप्शन ए velocity। ऑप्शन बी weight। ऑप्शन सी force। ऑप्शन डी acceleration। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी force। As per Columbus law, the force of attraction or repulsion between 2 points charge is directly proportional to the। option A cube of the distance। option B product of the magnitude of charges। option C sum of the magnitude of charges। option D square of the distance between them। ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट है, इसका प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्जेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, वन रेवोल्यूशन इन द सेम एज। ऑप्शन ए सेकंड रेडियस एंड रेडियस। ऑप्शन सी 57 रेडियस। ऑप्शन डी 1 रेडियस। इसका ऑप्शन 1 ए, इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है, 2 एंड डी रेडियस। as dash vector is obtained by dividing the vector by its magnitude। ऑप्शन ए unit, option B position, option C normal, option C negative, option A correct है इसका unit. Question number 10. Are the speed of the sound to be 340 meter per second? A thunderclap is heard about 3 years after the lightning is seen. The source of both light and sound is option A moving overhead fast than the speed of sound, option B emitting a much higher frequency than is heard, option C emitting the much lower frequency than is heard. Option D about 1000 meter away, E much more than 100 meter away. Option D इसका correct है ये वाला. If the distance between all pairs of particles of the body do not change by applying a force, then the body is said to be option A rigid, option B large, option C small, option D flexible. Option A rigid. Question number 12. For an ideal fluid flowing through a horizontal pipe, Bernoulli's equation states that the sum of the pressure and energy per unit volume along the pipe does which of the following. इसका साथ दिया हुआ summing measurement are taken along the pipe in the direction of the fluid flow. Option A increases as the pipe diameter increases. Option B increases as the pipe diameter increases. Option C remains constant as the pipe diameter increases. Option D increases the decreases as the pipe diameter increases. Option C correct है इसका. Remains constant as the pipe diameter increases. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is true? Weight is a force. Mass is the measure of inertia. Option B. Mass depends on gravity. Weight does not. Option C. Gravity is necessary to measure both weight and mass. Option D. Heavy objects weight more than light objects. Option A. Weight is the force. Mass is the measure of inertia. Option A is correct. Question number 14. A and dash is the basic reason to change in the motion of an object according to Newton's second law of motion. Option A Newton force, option B decreases in inertia, option C change in velocity, option D acceleration. Option A is correct, net force. Which of which a spring is compressed or stretched, the potential energy of the spring. Option A decreases, option B stay constant, option C increases, option D becomes zero. Option C correct इसका increases. The dimensional unit of ratio of work and power is option A J, option B T, option C L, option D F. Option B is इसका correct है T. A particles oscillating in simple harmonic motion is option A in equilibrium at the end of its path because its velocity is zero there. Option B in equilibrium at the center of its path because its acceleration is zero there. Option C never in equilibrium because it is in motion. Option D never in equilibrium because there is always a force. Option B is correct. A fire vessel emits a tone of 170 Hz. Take the speed of sound in air to be 340 meter per second. The wavelength of this sound is about 3.0 meter. Option B 0.5 meter. Option C 1.0 meter. Option D 2.0 meter. Question number 19. How much pressure is exerted on the struggle on a submarine at a depth of 8.50 kilometer in the Pacific Ocean? The density of sea water 1.025 multiply 1.3 किलोमीटर over मीटर पर सेकंड। इसका जी है, हाँ, इसका उन्होंने ये दिया हुआ है, हम कैलकुलेटर में इसको सोल्व करेंगे। इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 8.6 मल्टीप्लाई 106 पास्कल। ऑप्शन डी है इसका। A force of 100 Newton acts upon a body for 5 seconds. What will be the change in momentum? 5000 Newton per second. 1 Newton is a force that produces an acceleration of 0.5 meter per second to in a body of mass. Option A 1 kg, option B 2 kg, option C 4 kg, option D 8 kg. Correct option is B 2 kg. When brake When brakes are applied to a fast-moving car, the passenger will be thrown forward, option B backward, option C downward, option D upward. First option is correct, forward. In the formula F is equal to Gm1 m2 over r2. The quantity G depends on the local value of G. Option B is used only when Earth is one of the two masses. Option C, the greatest at the surface of Earth. Option D is a universal constant of nature. Question number 24. Per second refers to the dimension of physical quantity. Option A, angular deployment. Option B, angular velocity. Option C, angular acceleration. Option D, angular momentum. B option is correct, angular velocity. Light year is a unit of acceleration. A, B velocity, C time, D distance. Correct option is D distance. Young's modulus Young's modulus can be used to calculate the strain for a stress that is: option A just below the ultimate strength, option B just above the ultimate strength, option C well below the yield strength, option D well above the yield strength. C option is correct, well below the yield strength. A wheel of radius 50 centimeter having the angular speed of 5 radius will have linear speed in mass per second. Option A 0.5, option B 1.5, option C 2.5, option D 3.5. The option is correct, 2.5. Objects move in a circle at constant speed. The work done by centripetal force is zero because: option A the displacement for each revolution is zero, option B the average force for each revolution is zero, option C there is no friction, option D the centripetal force is perpendicular to the velocity. Option D is correct. A ball is thrown upward into the air with a speed that is greater than terminal speed. It lands at the place where it was thrown. During its flight, the force of air distance is the greatest. Option A. Just after it is thrown. Option B. Halfway up. Option C. At the top its trajectory. Option D. Halfway down. Option A is correct. Just after it is thrown. Question number 13. A fire emits a tone of 170 Hz. Take the speed of sound in air to be 340 meter per second. The wavelength of the sound is about: option A 2.0 meter, option B 3.0, option C 0.5, option D 1.0. Option A is correct, 2.0 meter. Next question. The angular momentum L of a rigid is given by: option A 1 watt, Option B RW, option C MRL, option D MRW. Option 1 is correct, 1 watt, 1 W. A water bed that is 1.5 meter wide and 2.5 meter long, weighs 1050 meter Newton, assuming the entire lower surface of the bed is in contact with the floor. What is the pressure in the bed exist on the floor? ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो रहा है, इसका ये ऑप्शन डी है, 280 पास्कल. Young's modulus can be used to calculate the strain for a stress that is: option A, just below the ultimate strength; option B, just above the ultimate strength; option C, well below the yield strength; option D, well above the yield strength. Option C is correct, well below the yield strength. A muscular buzz is often rated with a decibel rating of 40 dm. Normal conversation of often rated at 60 dB. How many times more intense is normal conservation compared to a muscular buzz? Option A 100, option B 20, option C 400, option D 2. Option A is correct, 100. Which of the following statement is are true? The weight Statement number 1: the weight of a man on the moon is smaller than on Earth. Option B: the mass of the man is the same on both the moon and Earth. We cannot determine our own mass in the outer space because there is no gravity. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, तो ये पहला और ये दूसरा ठीक है. इसका जो हमारा मास्क, आदमी का मास्क होता है, वो स्पेस में और इधर ज़मीन में सेम ही होता है, लेकिन वो ग्रेविटी की वजह से थोड़ा आगे पीछे होता है. इसका सेम वेट और मास का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 36. The angular momentum vector of Earth about its rotation x due to its daily rotation is directed: option A, tangent to equator toward the east, tangent to equator toward the west, north, south. Option C, north. When body moves with constant acceleration, the velocity time graph is: option A hyperbola, straight line, curve, parabola. इसका option B straight line. The present the presentesis of audioable sound due to the successive reflection from the surrounding objects over even after the source has stopped to the producer. That sound is called reverberation. Option A, option B refraction, option C reflection, option D echo. Option A is correct. Evaluations. A vector A is added to a vector B. The resultant vector A plus B have greatest magnitude when: option A, the magnitude of vector A and B does not depend on the directions of vector AB. ऑप्शन ये इसका सॉरी इसका ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुआ है यहाँ पे. ऑप्शन ए, when vector A and B are perpendicular. Option B, when vectors A and B are parallel and in the same direction. Option C, the vectors A and B are parallel and in the opposite direction. Option B is correct. Question number 40. The unit of intensity of sound is candela, decibel, Kelvin, meter. Option C, Kelvin. When number of bodies are such that they can exert force upon one another and no external agency exert a force on them, they are said to form non-inertial. Option B, non-oscillating system. Option C. An oscillating system. Option D. An internal forms of reference. Option C. An isolated system. Question number 42. Because the Bioton force acts in the opposite direction of gravity. Option A. Object submerged in water have a net force larger than their weight और बाकी इनका ये वाटर अपील और टू वेट इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट है ऑब्जेक्ट्स submerged in water have a net force smaller than their weight. Question number 43. If the mass of moving objects is doubled, then its kinetic energy becomes 4 times, option B 5 times, option C 60 times, option D 2 times. Option D is correct 2 times. Acceleration of an object must be zero at a point where option 1 the average velocity is 0, option B the instantaneous velocity is constant, option C the instantaneous velocity is not 0 but changing, option D the instantaneous velocity is 0 but changing. Option B is correct. Back and forth in a leftward and rightward direction, this type of wave is known as option A mechanical, option B longitudinal, option C transverse, option D electromagnetic. Option B is correct longitude. Option इसका बी करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइनल टेक ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ एन aeroplane is 67 meter per second. The length of runway is 2 kilometer. The constant acceleration is 2.24 meter per second minus 1. Option B 2.24 minus 2 है इसका ये ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट 2.24 मास पर सेकंड minus 2 है इसका ये मीटर पर सेकंड सॉरी. The frequency which is not audible to the human ear is option A 5000 Hz सॉरी 50,000 है ये वाला और ऑप्शन बी 5000 500 ऑप्शन सी 50 ऑप्शन डी 5000 ये वाला ये इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. The speed of sound is medium depends upon option A properties of the medium, option B amplitude, option C frequency, option D wavelength. Option A is correct properties of the medium. If the body whose mass is much less than a body at rest collision with it elastically, this is this is bonus back with option A half of the velocity, option B double velocity, option C none of these, option D same velocity. Yes, D option is correct, same velocity. SI unit of time period is option A nanosecond, option B minute, option C hours, option D second. ये nanosecond इसका टाइम पीरियड इसमें ये सेकंड होगा ऑप्शन डी. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mechanical waves? Option A they travel in a direction which is at right angles to the direction of the particles of the medium. Option A ये इसका करेक्ट है बाकी आप ये देख लें. ऑप्शन बी है इसका the transport energy they are created by a vibrating sources they consist of distance or oscillations of the medium. इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. Question number 52. As the wavelength of a wave in a uniform medium increases, its frequency will option A remains the same, option B none of these, option C increase, option D decreases. Option D is correct, decrease. Which of the following has the smallest moment of inertia about the central axis if all have equal masses and ready? Ring, option A ring, option B disc, option C spherical, Option D, superior shell. Option B is correct. Option C, sorry. Which of the following case is or not a uniformly accelerated motion? First, a feather falls from certain height inside a vacuum tube. Second, a ball rolls along a frictionless plane at uniform speed. Option A, sorry. 3. A coin falls from a certain height in air but air distance is negligible. इसका ये होगा ओनली बी बी करेक्ट है इसका अकेला सॉरी 2 नंबर वाला ऑप्शन बी before the density of an object can be found that two measurements are required. Option A, mass and volume. Option B, temperature and volume. Option C, mass and length. Option D, volume and length. Option A is mass and volume. Question number 56. Distance covered during one vibration of an oscillating body in terms of amplitude A. Option A 4A, option B 2A, option C A over 2, option D A. A option is correct. A 4A is the distance between all pairs of particles of the body do not change by applying a force, then the body is said to be option A large, option B flexible, option C rigid, option D small. C option is correct, rigid. 2 seconds waves are traveling through a container of unknown gas. Wave A has a wavelength of 1.2 meter. Wave B has a wavelength of 3.6 meter. The frequency of wave B must be dash the frequency of wave A. Option A 3 times larger than. Option B they the same as. Option C 1/3. Option D 1/9. C option is correct. 1/3. The goal of this scientifically scientific inquiry or scientific method is option A to make everyone rich and happy. Option B world dominating. Option C predicting natural events based on known patterns. Option D word space. Correct option is C इसका. Question number 60. Per second refers to the dimension of physics quantity. Option A angular velocity. Option B angular momentum. Option C angular displacement. Option D angular acceleration. Option A is correct, angular velocity. The unit kg mass second mass to सॉरी ये इसका क्वेश्चन जी यही वाला है द यूनिट kg m2 over second can be used for option A rotational inertia, option B rotational kinetic energy, option C angular momentum, option C torque. Option C is correct, angular momentum. The center of mass of Earth's atmosphere is option A near the surface of Earth, option B near the center of Earth, option C a little less than halfway between Earth's surface and the outer boundary of the atmosphere. Option D near the outer boundary of the atmosphere. Option B is correct, near the center of Earth. Work may be done by option A only living organisms, option B only non-living, option C both, option D only vehicles. इसका ओनली लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो जिंदा चीज़ें होती हैं उनसे ही वर्क होता है ये आपको इस चीज़ का पता होगा टू डिटरमाइन इफ अ rigid body is in equilibrium, the vector sum of the gravitational forces acting on the particles of the body can be replaced by a single force acting at option A the center of gravity, option B A point of the boundary, option C. The geometrical center, option D. The center of mass. Option A is correct, the center of gravity. Whenever an object strikes a stationary object of equal mass, none of these मतलब इसमें से कोई भी इसका ऑप्शन नहीं है. The first object must stop. The two objects cannot stick. The collision must be elastic. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है. अगर इसके अलावा कोई और ऑप्शन आता है तो वो करेक्ट होता है. ये आप थोड़ा ख्याल रखें इस चीज़ का. A glass of water is placed on a sheet of paper. Quickly drag the sheet of paper from under the glass of water without spilling. The water is due to option A Newton's third law of motion, acceleration, lack of friction between paper and glass. Option D inertia. Option D is correct, inertia. The dimension of Joule is ml2 t minus 2. ऑप्शन ए इसका करेक्ट है. बाकी ये इसमें आपने ये -2 देखना है लास्ट में और ml2 t minus 2. बस इसमें ये भी है -2 ml2. ये इसमें दो ऑप्शन ठीक हो सकते हैं, ये वाले बी वाला, ए वाला और डी वाला. The slope of a velocity time the graph at any point may be identified with instantaneous velocity, instantaneous acceleration, एवरेज एक्सीलरेशन, इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सीलरेशन. इसमें ये दो ऑप्शन ठीक हैं इसके, बी और डी. वैसे ये न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन आता तो नहीं है इसमें इतना लॉन्ग. वैसे आप चेक कर लें, ये भी देख लेते हैं. Ali want to lift a mass of 7.5 kg with constant velocity by a rope that passes through a frictionless pulley which is attached to the ceiling of room. Calculate the tension in the rope by regulating the mass of the rope. Option A 0.75 Newton, 7.5 kg, 7.5 kg. ऑप्शन इसका सी. ऑप्शन डी 75 न्यूटन. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. If the magnitude of force applied is increased, the work done by option A become zero, B decreased, have no change, B increased. Option D इसका करेक्ट है, B increased. A couple produces no motion. Option A. Option B linear and rotational. Option C properly rotational motion. Option D properly linear motion. Option C is correct, poorly relational motion. Which of the following statement are true of sound waves? Identify all of the below. ऑप्शन सी. साउंड वेव इज अ मैकेनिकल वेव. ये मैकेनिकल वेव होती है. इसके अलावा ये वैक्यूम में ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते इसका. बाकी ये सारे इसमें साउंड वेव और ट्रांसिट नहीं, इसका सिर्फ यही ठीक होगा. ऑप्शन सी. Add two vector of length 4 meter and 5 meter, but their rotational is not known. The length after addition of these two vectors will be 9 meter less than 1 meter, between 9 meter and 5, between 9 meter and 1. Option D is correct. इसका ये भी नहीं आएगा इसमें. ये देखते हैं इसमें. People try to keep dash over their feet in order to feel stable. Option A mass. Option B center of gravity. Option C weight. Option D center of mass. Option B center of gravity. Which statement is not true for acceleration? Riding your bike straight down the street at the constant speed. Option A is correct. इसका ऑप्शन यही ठीक है. ये मैं ना आपकी इस पे ये एमसीक्यूज पे तकरीबन आपके ये काफ़ी होंगे. इसके अलावा मैं ना हैंड नोट्स जब भी इसकी वीडियो बनाता हूँ वो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन उसमें से बता दूंगा, क्योंकि मोस्टली पेपर एमसीक्यू उसमें से ही बनते हैं. ये हमने ये पास्ट पेपर से निकाले होते हैं, वो हम यहाँ पे दिखा रहे होते हैं कि आपके यहाँ से पेपर आएगा. लेकिन ये नहीं हो सकता कि आपका सिर्फ एमसीक्यू से ही पेपर आए. आप हैंड नोट्स देखेंगे, मैं आपको वहाँ से करवाऊँगा सारे, और उसमें जो भी एमसीक्यूज होगा वो मैं आपको वहाँ पे हाईलाइट करवा दूँगा. उन्हें आप अच्छी तरह देख लेना, एक बार आप देख लोगे तो आपका पेपर अच्छा हो जाएगा। चलिए मिलते हैं फिर अगली वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह। खुदा हाफिज़, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको अच्छी अच्छी वीडियो दूंगा इसी की तरह की, और इससे बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा। अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा ना लगे, पसंद ना आए, तो मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं, और अच्छा लगे तो फिर भी लाइक करें और कमेंट करें। खुदा हाफिज़।